Hi guys, I don't know what is gonna be happening to this video. I just really want to try it out right now while my cat is enjoying. So this is one of my cats. Her name is Charcoal. She's my mama cat, although she's already spayed. But I really wanted to share this with you guys because she's here and this will be on theme. So I have here three of my amazing bags, and one of them is like one of my oldest bags, and then the rest are like a couple of new ones that as you saw in one of my videos. I wanted this to be like a quick review and to talk to you guys about a lot more about bags because I really want to discuss more about all the bags that I have and if it accumulated all through the years. So let's start. So first is this is one of my oldest bags. So I think it's kind of a bit dusty. I don't know if it'll project, but it is kind of dusty right now. And actually my cat here would actually fit here. And one of my organizers actually here also. So this is my Birkin 35 in silver hardware. So this is not the actual Birkin, of course. This is just a dupe. And I love this bag because aside from it really copies the Birkin bag because this doesn't have the hoops for like some long straps that I have with the other one. This has like been a major bag for me on through my work, especially in construction. This is a pandemic baby because I got this during the pandemic while I was on site, and this was like my work bag. This and the other one, my red one, which is a lot older than this one, and I've used it to death because it fits here everything that I need for work. Like there's a lot of things that you could fit there, and the reason why I still enjoy this and haven't let go of it despite of its condition, because it actually held up pretty well despite it being PU leather, because I've really constantly used it so much up until going to a beach, going to travel on like staycations and a pool. I bring this one more than the other bags that I have because it fits a lot and it's still chic. So this orange bag in Birkin 35 is a big bag. This one, if it was in real leather, this would probably be heavier than it is right now, but I am happy that I didn't get this in PU leather. I don't think I'll be buying a 35 in real leather just because the weight of a 30 already is a hassle already for me and it's not really gonna fit my lifestyle. So this one I'm very happy still keeping it here, and despite it still being dusty, I do have some leather sprays that I still use in here despite this being PU leather because it's still PU leather. So this bag is in silver hardware. Now this color is very different from the usual Hermes orange. I will try to find what color this is, but I don't know what shade this might be in the Hermes world, but nonetheless is a perfect bright colored bag that I would really wear and constantly use. This actually reminds me also of one in, I don't know, like a show. I'm not sure that it's this kind of orange because it really resonates. Orange resonates with Hermes a lot. So the comparison to the next to a Birkin 35 that's smaller is Birkin 30. So I do have a Birkin 30 here. This one is in gold hardware, and I think I still love it in gold hardware because with this orange, I think this is the Hermes orange. Here's like the clochette, and this one fits already a lot, but this is my pumpkin bag and this is heavy. I swear this is so heavy. I got already an organizer for it inside, and this is one of the bags that I have that has actually this attachment for straps because I do have a strap for this, which actually here is in this little dust bag, which is so cute. So with this bag, I usually use this going errands when I'm going out with my by myself. Like I just want to walk around with a beautiful bag, just minding my own business, and then just going out to the mall, do some errands that I need to pack a lot of things, especially my umbrella, because my umbrella does fit in here. And of course, my umbrella is like the standard size, so it fits here perfectly. And aside from that, I have an organizer here that has a detachment like this one because this where it fits my phone. I keep it zipped up because this is an open tote. So that's the difference also between a Birkin and a Kelly, is because the bag, I think everybody who knows Birkin and Kellys, they already know the difference between a Birkin and a Kelly because the Birkin has the open tote type style and the Kelly has the closed. and with a long strap. That's why a lot of people tend to compete on which one they prefer, which is Hermes or Birkin or Kelly. So with a Birkin 30 like this, I actually thought of my thought process on having a Birkin 30 instead of a 25 in this orange is because I wanted a big bag that's like a daily bag. Because I did experience already a 35, and although it is big, but with real leather, it's going to be heavier. So I tend to have a color like this because I've always wanted to get orange Birkin because it's somehow it is very iconic. And although I know that's kind of like cliche or like very common, I think it's still a perfect daily bag despite it being orange because I wear a lot of neutrals. I wear a lot of, although right now I'm wearing a lot of colors, but I love wearing neutral clothes, and sometimes neutrals is my go-to. So I tend to have a nice, I like wearing pop of color bags instead of neutral color bags, and this is the perfect one. I have a chance that I won't be adding any more Birkin 30s just because I think this is already the perfect daily bag that I could use, and I don't need to add another one on a 30. But we can never tell. Maybe there's a bag, a Birkin 30 that I might fall in love with. But usually if I will ever get another style of a Birkin, it's probably still a 25 instead of a 30. So that is with this. But like I said, this is perfect for bringing in your umbrella, bringing in some papers and documents, envelopes. If you're going to pay the bills, that you have to go out to the mall, and that you have to do a daily errands. It fits a lot. I'm very happy with this and very proud of it because it fits a lot. This is in Togo leather, and it has a lot of things that you could put as well as use it very daily. It's much more convenient to use just because this one packs already a lot and you don't need to add another thing. Plus, I also like putting an echo bag there just in case my errands leads me to buy a lot of stuff or buy a bit more. So I tend to get this. So now the thought process on why I didn't get a Kelly in a size 25 or 28 is because I got this, and I always wanted an orange bag, a small orange bag for daily, for like going out only with casual outings with friends, dinner dates, lunch dates, brunch. This is like the perfect size that was been gifted to me and added to my collection, which I'm so happy about. This one is already the perfect size for me going out with a nice pop of color bag. That's not going to be overwhelming because I think with a 25 or a 28, I think it will, especially the 28, I think it'll just be almost similar to the Birkin 30. Plus the 25, I think it's too much of a, I don't know, I think the size is won't be practical enough for me as a pop of color, not like the Mini Kelly 22. So this is the Mini Kelly 22 in gold hardware. This one packs a lot because I'm happy to say if you guys want to get a Mini Kelly and you don't want the MS Mini Kelly, which is 20, then get the Mini Kelly too. Because this one, I am so happy with this because here's a long strap. I put it in a dust bag. It fits a lot. It even fits an iPhone Pro Max. I gifted her a Mini Kelly 22 as well. And she was so happy because she got she was able to fit a her phone there, which is a Pro Max. So that's the reason why it's also more convenient because I love the Mini Kelly, but I don't like the size. So I was able to get it in a bag that is not gonna scream, "Oh, look at me, I'm expensive," because this is not the real MS bag. So that's why I'm really happy with it. That's also part of the thought process why I prefer to get the ones that are still leather quality but they don't have the logo because I don't want to hassle myself, and I've already repeated this. I don't want to hassle myself bringing it and then have it get stolen. I'll be very upset about it. So for me, I'm happy with these bags. Now, one more is I also didn't need to get any more or it's not even in my wish list to have a Kelly 25 or Kelly 28 in orange because I got a recent one, a gold on gold box leather in contrast stitching Kelly 25, and it has been the best. Like almost orange, almost brown. It's just an elegant bag, and I can't wait to share a bit more of that bag with you guys on another video. But for now, that is the comparison and the uses of these bags. So they're much practical, like going for vacation, going for errands, and long multiple errands, and this one on brunch dates, dinner dates, and whatnot. And the perfect accessory for this is my mama charcoal here. That's cleaning right now because we have to clean her as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!